In this video, I would like to show you how to know your IP address of your system and how to change the IP address of your computer. So let's get started. Click the start button and then type a run and then hit enter, and inside this run type ncpa.cpl, then hit enter. Now we can see two icons. In this one, the local area network. This icon means it's the Ethernet port of our system that we are using to access the internet, or in other way around we can say it's a wired cable connected to our system that we are using to access our internet or any local area network. Now right click this and then hit the properties. Now again we have a lot of options available for this Ethernet port. First of all, this client for Microsoft Networks and the QoS packet scheduler. Below you can see the description of each of the services, such as for this file and print sharing for Microsoft Networks. The description below, it says allows other computers to access resources on your computer using a Microsoft network. And again this IPv version 6. Do remember that in Windows IPv version 6 is enabled by default, and that is not a good thing, because if it is enabled by default, this one can be advantage for the hackers to penetrate your system. So uncheck this IPv version 6, and I would like to tell you that most of the service providers or most internet service providers are still not using this IPv version 6. It's more advanced than IPv version 4. So to this date, most of the service providers are using IPv version 4. So this one is, and again to configure this one again, IPv version 4, hit the properties and then use the following IP, select this, and then now you can enter your own IP address whatever you want, 196.168 and 23, and then here in this subnet masks, the system will automatically give you the subnet masks according to the IP address that you are assigning. So in my case, my service provider is giving me an IP address automatically. In other way around, it means my service provider is assigning an IP address to me, to my system, automatically. So for that, I don't have to manually set the IP address. I'll just select this, obtain IP address automatically from the service provider. Another way around it means. And now just cancel it and again hit OK. It's done. This is how you can manually set your IP address. Now again there another thing, something like just right click this and then hit this open network sharing center. In this you can see that you are connected, that you have chosen a home network. You have chosen this network as a home network, or you can say you have chosen this network as a home profile, where you have accessed. Let me show you. Just click this change advanced sharing settings. Here in this home or work profile, you have choose network discovery. And what is network discovery? When network discovery is on, the other computers can see your computer. And then again the print and file sharing, that means you are that means when file and printer sharing is on, files and printers that you have shared from this computer can be accessed by the people on the network. Now again, this public, and this public, you have two options, the same option, and then again media streaming, and then file sharing. If you want to have encrypted file sharing, and then again you want password protected file sharing or off. So these are the options. In public, again you click down, and again in public by default it's turned off. Now if you want to put some restriction in this home or work current profile, then some restrictions like this one, turn off network discovery, so that no other computers or no other users can see you on the network. So just turn it off, and then it's done. Save changes, and it's done. This is how also we can change the settings of our network, and it's very important to go through this change advanced settings while you are connected to a network. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.